Namaste students. Today I am going to discuss with you Gala assignment 2024 of OC paper 1 section A. Students, section A will be of 20 MCQs of 1 mark each. So section A will be of 20 marks in total. You can take 20 minutes to solve this section. Students, try to remember the keywords so that you will be able to answer the MCQ quickly and correctly. Starting with the first MCQ. How many levels of management are there? Levels of management. There are three levels of management: top level, middle level, and bottom level. So the correct answer is option C, 3. Second, how many are the functional areas of management? There are four functional areas of management: marketing, HR, finance, and production. So the correct option is B, 4. Number 3. One is given dash degree for doctor's profession. Doctor's profession, that is MBBS. Option D is the correct one. Fourth, who was the promoter of neoclassical thoughts? Here the keyword is neo. Neo, that means Mayo. Neo, Mayo, rhyming words. So option D is the correct one. Alton Mayo. Number 5th, which is the first step of planning process? First step is defining objectives. So option A is the correct one. Sixth, which of the following is the element of planning? Rules are the element of planning. So option D is the correct one. Seventh, which is the second step after recruitment? Recruitment is the first step and selection is the second step. So option B is the correct one. Eighth, in which year Abraham Maslow presented the principle of hierarchy of needs? Maslow's need theory of motivation. It was presented in the year 1943. Option C is the correct one. Which function of management is known as a father of controlling? Option D. Planning is known as a father of controlling. 10. One of the experts compared planning and control with what? They compared planning and control with twins. 11th, how many types of capital structure are there? Students, there are four types of capital structure: only equity, equity preference, equity debenture, or equity debenture and preference. Be careful while answering this MCQ. Many times students write 2, assuming that there are two types of capital structure: equity and debt. So here the correct answer is C, 4. 12th, with whom does the foreign investment institution needs to get registered? It needs to get registered with SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. So option D is the correct one. 13th, who issues treasury bills on behalf of Indian government? RBI issues treasury bill. So option B is the correct one. 14th, in which year Depository Act came into existence? It came into existence in the year 1996. Option D is the correct one. 15th, which out of the following mentioned matters is not included in marketing mix? Marketing mix includes 4P: product, price, place, also known as distribution, and promotion. But packing is not included, so option D is the correct one. 16th, producer to consumer. What type of distribution system is this? Students, this is a zero level distribution system, as there is no middleman between producer and consumer. Producer directly sells the goods to consumer. So option A is the correct one. 17th, in which court can the public interest litigation be filed? Students, public interest litigation will be filed in the Supreme Court. So option D is the correct one. 18th, when was the Consumer Protection Act passed? Consumer Protection Act was passed in the year 1986. So option C is the correct one. 19th. At present, which act is prevalent for the foreign exchange in India? FEMA is prevalent for the foreign exchange in India. So option D is the correct one. 20th. How is India's currency symbolized? It is symbolized as option C. So C is the correct one. Thank you, students.